Mm. 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 Yeah, see, after seeing a young girl is able to open the shutter. So this is what the power of girls, Yeah, thank you. See, simple thing. These two guys, they did. What you say is, see, there is no shutter. There is nothing to do with this thing. But we are imagining that there is a shutter, and we are going to open. It's very rusty, and it's very adamant, telling I am not going to open. But you are trying and you are trying and you are trying, and you are putting your physical strength to open the shutter. So what in this case, what we will do? We have to feel as if we are opening the real shutter. We must give the same tension to the muscles as if we must imagine that we are lifting the real shutter. So this is what the second thing. We have to imagine whatever the experience, also the expressions, and also the body which experiences the pressure, the tension, we have to give, so that then only it will become a very realistic mind. Then after this thing, formations, for example, see, handling objects. See, okay, now I am not going to tell what I am going to do, but you have to tell me what I am doing. It's like Dumsy, dumb charades. Have you heard about dumb charades? Huh? Okay. See, so simple things with which we can express the things what we are doing. Our actions must convey a thing, See, if you are hungry, how you will say? See, this same expression, if we change the tone, means stomach pain, and if we combine the body language also, we can make it as a different expression. What is this? So yeah, the same expression, facial expression is same, body language is same, but small changes in my body language, small changes. For example, see, within this thing, I can differentiate it with pen and pencil. Simple thing. What you will do? Usually in pen, in ink pen, what we will do? Fountain pen. Yes. We will do the writing. If it stucks, you will shake it well, and then if it's a pencil, what you will do? Yeah, another way. How you can give? How you can what? Yes, like this. See, for example, if you are drawing something, like this. Okay. So whatever you do, slight changes. No need to put on the presence of mind is used here. So another thing is walking style also. Walking style. Usually in Bharatanatyam, any Bharatanatyam students here? Is coming. Anybody? How you will walk? Same way also, in mime walk differs a lot. There are many kinds of mime walk. For example, we can imitate, no? We used to imitate our teachers, our lecturers. our friends and all in school days and college days. Some of them will have crossed that age. Some of them are enjoying that age. So I no need to tell, but you will do day to day. Hey, see that English madam will. Hey, she will come like this. Hey, that mathematics sir is walking like this. Like this. So the body language, the walking style differs to person. Like that, in mime also, see there are many types of walk. For example, the speed walk. Like this. And next is the penguin walk. Like that. Okay? And another thing is the dramatic walk, dramatic walk like this. Like this. So the walk differs. And another thing, posture. The posture. See, we can what for a young people we have a certain posture. For children and kids we have certain posture, and for old people we have certain posture. Okay, like that. Our standing also. See, for example, in college, if we are chatting with our friends, we used to stand like this. Your professor comes. Like this. Okay? Yeah, we must see. For example, if a guy waits for a lover, okay, come. Now
we are going to play. You like cricket? You like game? No,
games. Video game.
What that?
Olympic
Tennis,
game.
you know tennis? So we are going to play now. Okay? Come on. Play with Uncle. No? Now we have to. There is no way. We have to perform now. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿಚೆ.
Come on. Stand up.
Going to participate, huh? Yeah. My master. Yeah.
Mike.
Okay, so this is the idea of mime. Little bit, now how we are going to use our facial expressions and body movements. So there is a little bit techniques is there, no? So anybody can do the mime. No, this is not a particular people. Everybody can do. So we are going to learn our body language. Okay, how we are going to walk, how we are going to use our upper body. So this is the main things. Okay. Okay.
See, the traveling walk. For that, see.
Again, you heard, it's very audible, no, that music, then tack, 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 din, tack, tack, So use that rhythm, then we are going to walk.
Let gut.
Ready?
I'll-
Ah.
Toe, heel. Toe.
Tell them the technique.
See. Toe first.
First toe,
Toe. And then drag
and
the.
grab the next leg.
See.
Yes.
We can also see if we have an obstacle, so we can change the posture as if we are going down using a stair. Again down. See, for example, if you are walking, see, like this, and then after you are traveling on an escalator, so it will look like this. See. Like this, okay? So first toe, drag, toe, drag, toe, drag. Come on. Toe,
The one leg grab
toe,
and put in front,
drag,
and next leg grab.
drag. Normal walking, but toe, drag. Yeah, it's similar
Ah.
to MJ's moonwalk, See. Like this, but you have to sustain yourself in the same position. See, like this. At the same time, you must walk. We can show the expression. If you are going with a very sad face,
Come, walk,
if you are very proud,
walk.
if you are very angry, if you are very happy, okay? Come
Yeah.
on.
Now, we are going to remove these carpets and we are going to use comfortable. Just back, yeah. காட்டுங்க. Walk. River walk. Show me the river walk. This much height water. Yeah. Walk.
See, river, you must
Imagine that. It's a very risk.
see. In river, the water flows, in either side. Either
Use the
flows here or
hands.
this side. But when you overcome the waves, when you overcome that flow, how you will walk? You will apply the pressure, no, like this. Like this. See. Like this. Yeah, like this. Like this. Like this. You must feel the water flows.
Good. Yeah. Very good. Good.
Astronaut walk. You are in Mars.
So, in this mind, basically, you have to tighten your stomach. That is the main thing. Then easily you will lift your body. Okay?
Next, you are in Mars. How will you walk? How you will walk?
Tight your stomach. Then easily you will do.
Gravity. See.
Yeah.
Jumping.
Next
turn.
one.
Jumping.
Fire walk. In the floor all fully there is a fire. How you going to walk?
See, you can put steps up.
Here.
See, you can
Here.
put steps. You can
Here,
put
look at
steps.
him. Without sound, show me your facial expressions. It's a real burning. Show me the fire walk. ஐயோ சுடுது.
Slippery floor. How will you walk?
Okay, now there is a oil on the floor. It's a grease, so you can't walk. How are you going to walk? If you don't put step very carefully, you will slip. Yeah, use support. Very careful, very careful. Ah,
Next,
Indra, very good, very good.
somebody drags you, grabs your hand and is dragging, how you will move? Like this. If anybody he's catching your nose and he's dragging.
Okay?
Yes.
The same thing happened in your nose. Show me. Somebody is grabbing your nose. How are you going to walk? Very good. Now, the gum walk. Gum walk mean there is a full tight gum. Your leg will stuck. How are you going to remove? The gum. Very tough, very tough. Very difficult to lift your leg. Very difficult. Yeah. Yes. Try. Yes. Okay. There is a in the Japanese they find out one is it's a collapse one. How are you going to collapse without hurting? How are you going to collapse? There is a 3 steps. First one, 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Show me, Lokesh. How Lokesh? See, lift your hands. 1, 2, and 3. One leg lift. Okay, one more time. All the children. Ready? Lift, take breath in. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Without hurting. Now, so one time all fall down. Okay? Total collapse. Like a, ready? Breathe in. Breathe in, hands. Lift your hands. Fall down. Without hurting. Yes. Okay, now side fall down. Okay, I'll show you. Is it possible to do front fall down? I'll show you. For example, we are walking like this. So our leg now, you have to lock like this. See, and walking like this. Lock leg should be come front and fall down like this.
Don't hurt your knee. See, it must come front, but you should not support your knee. See, you are walking, stuck, for support, and then, yeah.
Okay, now side falling. Very simple. Okay, you go like this.
This leg you have to support.
The leg first is going down and